Struggling to decide between Workday and ADP for your payroll needs? Let's break down these payroll titans in just 90 seconds. First, features. Both handle core payroll tasks like tax filing and direct deposit with ease. Workday excels in advanced analytics and integrated HR, while ADP offers a wider range of plans, including options for very small businesses. Next, pricing. Workday typically targets larger enterprises, so expect a custom quote. ADP has more transparent and scalable pricing, catering to various business sizes, but costs can add up with add-ins and additional support. User interface is the name of the game here. Workday is known for its modern and intuitive design, fully integrated with its HR suite. ADP's interface can vary depending on the plan, with some older versions being less user-friendly, but both are user-friendly overall. Customer support. Both platforms offer support, but user reviews often cite Workday as having slightly better responsiveness. ADP has a larger support infrastructure, but experiences can vary. In short, if you need a fully integrated HR and payroll system with robust analytics and don't mind a potentially higher price tag, Workday is a strong choice. If you need a scalable solution with various pricing options and extensive experience, ADP is a solid contender. Still unsure? Check out the links in the description for detailed reviews and pricing information to find the best fit for your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more HR tech comparisons.